Good morning, friends, and welcome back to the homestead. So hubby and I just got home from town and we picked up a whole bunch of trees that were on clearance in town. So we need to figure out where we're gonna put these trees. So we're gonna go through the property right now and just kind of discuss where we want to put all these trees, because once a tree is in the ground, it's permanently there. There's no picking it up and moving it. So it needs to go in the exact spot that we want it. So come along with us while we figure out where we're gonna put all these trees. So the first ones that we're gonna be looking for a spot is our evergreens. We really love the evergreens because that will stay green all year long. So when everything dies back here, which it's going to with winter, these will stay green. So we will always have something green around the property. And we love our Christmas trees. That was one of the things that we wanted to do, is put a whole bunch of Christmas trees up. So now we got a bunch of evergreens that we're gonna go ahead and put up as well, because that will stay green all year long. So for the crepe myrtles, I've got white, pink, and purple. So I'm gonna put one of each color over here behind the bees. That will be a beautiful backsplash when those bloom. I absolutely love crepe myrtles. All right, so the next one we have are two of these sky pencil holly bushes. And we're gonna go ahead and put them over here with these other bushes that were here before, just to kind of finish closing it off. So we've got this all right here, and then we're gonna go ahead and put these two right here to just kind of close this off from the picnic area. These get about 10 feet tall and they stay pretty thin, hence the name pencil holly. So it should be really pretty though. Quick detour. I've got my raspberry bushes here and they are in bloom. So we're gonna grab a couple and try them. Oh my gosh, it's so sweet. This is our breakfast. We also had one blueberry that we found and two turkey figs. The two turkey figs, we have a fig that's over in the orchard and it's just not doing good. It grows back every year, but it has never produced any fruit. So I'm gonna go ahead and transplant those into bigger pots that I can then take inside to the pump house during the winter time, so they can overwinter and then bring them back out during spring and summer and fall. Plenty warm enough for them to survive, and hopefully we'll get some fruit out of them. But I've got two of those in here as well. We'll take those to the pump house a little bit later. All right, so we had several more of those big giants, and we're gonna go ahead and place them off to the side of the house. So we're gonna put those all along right here, all along the creek, down to the Christmas trees that we have over there. All right, so we got 6 of the giant green evergreens right along the creek line. Should be really pretty right here. And then we've got 2 of these Leyland cypress evergreens, and these ones get 60 feet tall. So we need to put them somewhere. If they happen to fall down, they're not gonna fall on anything that could be damaged. So we're gonna put them over here with the rest of our Christmas trees, since they are gonna look like Christmas trees. So we're gonna go ahead and stagger them with our Christmas trees that are already here. We've got one that we've had, this one we've had for 2 years. That one is about a year old. So it should be pretty. And we've got one, this one is the only one, and it's a Carolina sapphire cypress. And that one is gonna get really big also, so we're gonna put it over here with the rest of our Christmas trees, because all of these will look like Christmas trees. And how pretty will that be during Christmas time if I could figure out a way to bring some light bulbs out here and cover them with lights for Christmas time. All right, so I like the look of the staggering, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. Now I've got all the crepe myrtles that I need to find a place to put. All right, so we decided in front of the barn, right along the creek here, we'll go ahead and put the crepe myrtles. It'll give some really pretty color over on this side, plus it will give the chickens somewhere to hide when there is aerial predators around. It'll give them more optimal hiding space to have something along the creek. And also my hope is that with the roots, if they go down deep enough, it will help preserve our creek side right here from falling into the creek, which it has been doing. So let's go ahead and grab out all the crepe myrtles and we'll put them over here and see how it looks. All right, we're ready to start digging. We're digging our first hole to put in our evergreen. I ended up picking up at the end of summer a bunch of organic hollytone, and this is good for azaleas and for evergreens. So this is what I'm going to put in each of the holes for all these evergreens to help promote good health and nutrition for them. So let me put you on a time lapse as we get to plan. Alright friends, so we are done for today. We got half of the property done with planting the trees. The other half by the barn we're gonna have to do probably tomorrow because whew, it's a lot. And it doesn't help that we have very rocky soil. So we've got tons of boulders that we were having to pull out. Well, hubby was having to pull out. But we got all of these evergreens planted and they look great. Alright friends, thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed this video of us planting all these wonderful trees that we found in town at a great discount. It's definitely the best time to check, guys. Until next time friends, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well, and have a blessed day.